Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install usertesting.com and collect UI usability insights, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to usertesting.com. Once on the home page, locate the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button to begin the registration process. Fill out the required fields including your name, email address, and desired password. Select the type of account you wish to create, whether it's for business or personal use. After entering your details, click on the Create Account button. Check your email inbox for a verification email from usertesting.com. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Return to usertesting.com and log in with your newly created credentials. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard interface. Locate the Create Test button, typically found at the top of the dashboard. Click on Create Test to start setting up your usability test. Choose the type of test you'd like to conduct, such as a website test or mobile app test. Follow the prompts to enter the URL of the website or app you want tested. Customize your test settings, including the target audience and participant criteria. Add tasks for participants to complete during the usability test. Be specific about what you expect users to do, as clear tasks yield better insights. Preview your test to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once satisfied, click the Launch Test button to start gathering responses. Monitor the progress of participants as they begin the usability test. After the test is complete, navigate to the Results section on your dashboard. Review the recorded sessions and feedback provided by the participants. Take note of common pain points or issues highlighted during the tests. Analyze the insights gathered to improve the user experience of your website or app. Make necessary adjustments based on the feedback received. Consider running additional tests to validate any changes made. Once you're satisfied with the improvements, share your findings with your team. Use these insights to drive strategic decisions for your product development. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.